Boot scoop, boots, boom, boom, cat, cat, wobble, wobble, tss, tss, boom, bap. Yeehaw! Drop that wobble beat, cousin. I like the way she wobbles when she walk down the dirt road. Booty jiggling like jelly on a hot biscuit load. Wobble, wobble, shake it left, shake it right. Girl, you got that country thunder, make my overalls tight. I like the way she wobbles, wobbles in them daisy dukes. Dropping it low like she churning butter, no disputes. Wobble, baby, wobble all night long. Hillbilly style, getting wild to this redneck song. Down at the honky-tonk, sipping moonshine from a jar. She roll up in her pickup, revving like a NASCAR star. Cowboy hat, tilted freckles on her cheeks so fine. But when she hits the dance floor, Lord, that behind's divine. She wobble to the left, wobble to the right, like a tractor trailer hauling hay on a Friday night. I ain't no city slicker, I'm a backwoods kind of guy. But she got me hollering, yeehaw, about to touch the sky. Got cornbread thighs and gravy in her hips. When she drops it low, my jaw just flips. Wobble, wobble, boom. Boom. Screw, screw. Banjo pluck. Cat, cat, boom. Boom. Y'all feel that bass. Wobble on it. I like the way she wobbles when she two steps cross the barn, making all the fellas jealous, setting off alarms. Wobble, wobble, drop it down, pick it up slow. Girl, you finer than fried chicken at the county fair. I like the way she wobbles, wobbles like a fishing bobber. Got me hooked like catfish, ain't no way I'm sober. Wobble, baby, wobble till the cows come home. This hillbilly rap got the whole holler on the phone. She ain't no skinny minnie, she stick like molasses sweet. Wobbling through the mud in her bare feet. I pull up on my four-wheeler, mud tire spinning wild. She wink and say, boy, come get this country child. We line dance to the beat, but she break it down low. Wobble so hard, make the pigs in the pen go. From the trailer to the hayloft, we bouncing all night. Her wobble got more shake than a dog in a fight. Uncle Jed on the fiddle, but I'm spitting this flow. Hillbilly gangster letting everybody know. I like the way she wobbles. Drop that beat. Get. Drop that beat. Wobble, 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 wobble. Boom, boom. Wobble, wobble. Wobble. Yeehaw. Wobble, wobble, wobble. I like the way she wobbles. Boom, boom. Drop that beat. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, cat, fade out with banjo twine.
This dance is Hillbilly Wobble, choreographed by Kristen Clove. It's a 32 count, 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, step right to right diagonal, so you're facing 10-30, wobble for 2 counts, right side touch, left side touch. Step right to back, right diagonal, so you're facing 130, wobble for 2 counts, right side touch, left side touch. Section 2, square to 12, step on right kick, left step on left kick, right step on right kick, left step on left, 2 V steps. Out, in, out, in. Section 3, 4 paddle turns, in total making a half turn to the left, paddle, 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 now facing 6, 4 paddle turns, in total making a half turn right, paddle, 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 back to 12. Last section, step right to side, shake, step left together, right, side rock, recover together, step left to side, shake, step right together, rock, left to side, recover, step left together, making a quarter turn left to face 9. This is the end of the dance. I'm facing 9, weights on my left, and I start over with wobbles. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that's the whole dance.